Hello guys! Welcome back to Pagkaing Pinoy TV. Today we're going to make pork shawmai. In a large bowl, combine the ground pork and finely chopped shrimp. Add the finely chopped shitake mushrooms, half teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon ginger juice, half teaspoon salt, and half teaspoon ground black pepper. So I'm using a plastic gloves and I'm mixing it by hand until everything is well incorporated. Next, I'm going to dilute 1 tablespoon cornstarch with 3 tablespoon water. So the cornstarch will not only serve as a binder, it will also act as a tenderizer, which will keep the meat moist and juicy. Now let's add it to the pork mixture. By the way, for the ginger juice, I grated the fresh ginger and pressed it to extract the juice. Here's our shawmai wrapper. You can use square or circle cut, and you can buy this on Asian stores. Put a heaping tablespoonful of meat mixture into the center of the wrapper. Gather the sides to form a cup around the filling. So I put a parchment paper on the steamer basket to prevent the shawmai from sticking. Then, I will arrange the shawmai into the steamer with 1/4 inch apart. I will repeat the same step on the remaining meat mixture. If you want to freeze the shawmai, you can do that while it is uncooked, but I prefer to steam it before freezing. This way, it's easier to serve it. You just have to reheat it in the microwave or in the steamer. If you are freezing them, arrange the dumplings into a single layer about 1 inch apart on a tray and freeze it until solid before transferring into an airtight container. You can keep it in the freezer for up to 3 months. Lastly, we're going to steam the siomai for 15 minutes or until cooked, making sure that the heat is set to medium heat. This looks really nice. We will now gently remove the siomai from the steamer. This delicious siomai can be served as an appetizer or snack with toyomansi and chili garlic sauce. It is also perfect to serve with pancit, noodle soup, or vegetable stir fry. That's how we make pork siomai. And if you're looking for a small business that you can start with, you can try this recipe of pork siomai. Just go to our website at www.pagkaingpinoytv.com, and don't forget to follow us in Instagram and Facebook page at Pagkaing Pinoy TV1. If you have any suggestions or feedback that you want me to do on my next video, just comment it below. Don't forget to click on subscribe and tap the bell icon to receive notifications on our next video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!